Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, you got to give credit where credit's due. What a dramatic day. I mean, the way this thing started off, the first 30 minutes, price flushed all the way down to that point. And then from there is essentially all bulls the remainder of the day as a very, very nice bounce played out, which brings about the valid question now of, yeah, the price certainly made a great move, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind going forward, it's all about this 87 cent mark. Why is 87 cents so important? Well, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's say that the price were to come down here to 87 and then just continue on down. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price once again came down. Whoops, let's try that again. Say the price came down here, but the difference in this situation being price behaved like that before starting to work its way back upwards. Now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have signs of progress being made in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined right there at 87 cents. Now, what about levels of resistance going forward? The main level that's really standing out to me is this resistance trend line right here. Still got a ways to go, but after today's very nice movement, I would definitely say that this trend line here is within striking distance. So we'll see if the price can get up there, and if it can it push through it? That'll remain the question at that point. But overall, anyway, look at it. Fantastic recovery from what was starting off to look like a very ugly day, and now it's just a question now of can the price build upon this bounce? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.